Hi friends, so welcome back to another special episode of Smaterr. We're studying about algebraic expression, and today we're going to prove a formula. It is a plus b whole square to be proved a square plus 2ab plus b square. And today in this video I'm going to present two ways to prove this a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And when I say two ways, remember that one is going to be very special one. So let's see how we can prove it in algebraic way. So we have got LHS equals to a plus b whole square using algebra. We are going to use algebra. So multiplying a plus b two times gives a plus b whole square. That means we can write a plus b multiplied by another a plus b. And doing it is very easy. Now a is going to multiply whole a plus b second factor, a plus b, now the second term of the first factor, that is b, and it is also going to multiply the whole second factor. That means plus b will now multiply a plus b. And doing this, we get a square. A times a is a square plus a times b is ab plus b times a is ba, but in alphabetic order we write ab. Now symbol multiplies symbol. Positive multiplied by positive always gives positive, so b times b is b square. Now it's all about finding the like terms. AB and AB, these are the like terms. Since we got positive, we are going to add that. So we will have a square plus 1 gives 2ab plus b square, and that's exactly what we needed to prove. It is equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS, hence we proved this. But I already said that I'm going to present another special way for proving a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's begin. So now we have a geometrical verification. We are going to use geometry for proving a plus b whole square gives a square plus 2ab plus b square. And when I say geometry, then we are going to construct a line segment for both a and b. So let's suppose that straight line segment as a and another line segment that is smaller than a, that is b. And let's join that together, we get a plus b. So that whole line segment now gives a plus b. And since we need to find a plus b whole square, what does square mean in geometry? Let's make a square. Now it is a plus b whole square. Now let's give name to each of the line portions, line segments. That small portion out there is b, this one is a, this one is also b, this one's a, this one's a, and this one is b. So we have got a and b as the line segments for all of the line portions. And we got the line connected as well. Now let's have a look at this bigger square. To get this big square, we need to add four portions here. The first one, square. The second one is a rectangle. The third one, it is again a rectangle. And the final one there is a square. If we add all these portions, then we get the whole one. Since we need to get a plus b whole square, the whole square is a plus b whole square, right? So now let's talk about the first one. The first big square in there is a square. How is it a square? Since the formula for finding the area of a square is L square, here L is a. So we have a square. Let's fill that with a square. Now let's move to another part. There you get a rectangle. Isn't it a rectangle? We have a and b as length and breadth, right? So the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is L into b. So instead of L and b, we have a and b, so that will be ab. And for the third portion, we have got a rectangle, and here also length and breadth are a and b. So we have ab, and for the small square there, the formula for finding the area of a square is L square, and hence it is b square. And as I already said, we need to add all these four portions to get the bigger square, that is a plus b whole square. We'll get a square plus 2ab plus b square, hence proved. Such an amazing method, right? Now you may be thinking how to find the whole square of a minus b, meaning a minus b whole square. Don't worry, we're going to do that in our coming session. Stay tuned to us. Bye bye folks.